Thailand has unveiled its first AI police robot, a high-tech marvel that's not science fiction but a reality. This innovation aims to enhance public safety in bustling environments. The AI Police Cyborg 1.0 made its debut at Songkran, Thailand's New Year festival, amidst water fights and parades. While revelers enjoyed the festivities, the robot was busy scanning the crowd. Equipped with 360-degree cameras, the robot boasts facial recognition to identify suspects and weapon detection to differentiate between harmless and dangerous items. It's a vigilant guardian in the midst of chaos. If it detects suspicious activity, such as aggression or hidden weapons, it sends instant alerts to nearby officers via a central command system. It also integrates with CCTV and drone footage for comprehensive surveillance. While officials aim to boost safety at large events, the robot's constant monitoring raises privacy concerns. Some see it as a law enforcement game-changer, while others warn of a slippery slope toward perpetual surveillance. Where should the line be drawn?